In front of me is CAT S42, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So actually you've got two methods. Let me start with the first one. You need to click on phone dialer icon and then enter a secret code. Obviously at first just enroll the keypad and then enter a secret code, which is *# or 6#. And as you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI and serial numbers assigned to this device. Click on OK to go back, and then you can also find those numbers via settings. To do it, unroll the list of all apps, find and select settings, click on About Phone, and here scroll a bit lower. Here you will notice IMEI number, click on OK then, and under model and hardware you will find serial number. And this is it. This is how you can locate unique numbers assigned to your CAT S42. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.